me now, where you'd raise a glass and tear the whole damn house down. The whiskey burned, the amps screamed loud. We stood like outlaws, proud and unbowed. We were sons of thunder, wild and free, running hard with no damn destiny. A beat-up ride and a heart full of fire, living every day like we never tire. And now I hear those songs alone, and every screaming solo cuts to the bone. I'd trade every mile we ever rode just to hear your voice come crashing through the road. One more night beneath those skies, one more reckless laugh, one more sunrise. The world keeps rolling, the years move on, but part of me died the day you were gone. Oh, the madness, brother, oh, we knew. Now the sacred memories pulling me through. I still roll past the places we tear apart, and I swear sometimes you're riding shotgun in the dark. That same crooked grin, those battle-scarred eyes, gone like smoke when reality arrives.